Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Qualcomm HomeSpot Bluetooth transmitter and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now there's one of two reasons you're going to want to do this. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any connectivity issues where this is not connecting to your device, not pairing with Bluetooth, if it keeps disconnecting, anything like that, a hard reset can fix a lot of these issues. The other reason you might want to do this is if you're setting this up in a new audio system or just, for whatever reason where you want to get it back to the way it was when it came out of the box with all of the pairing history and everything deleted off of it. We can do this quite easily. First thing we need to do is turn it off. So if it's on, we're just going to come and press and hold this Bluetooth or this multi-purpose button for 3 seconds until the LED light turns off. Once that happens, we're going to press and hold that multifunction button for 10 seconds with it turned off until this indicator up here, this blue indicator up here, blinks blue 3 times, and then it will be wiped clear of all of its pairing history and everything like that, and you can go ahead and repair it as a new device.